Yo, it's good weeps.
We back
with another
K-pop reaction. Let's get it.
Do. Bibbidi bobbidi. Hey, Kevin, what are we watching today, man?
Just like you guys watched and said that you guys like the Blackpink only video, we're gonna do a BTS one because that's the one that you guys have been asking for. You guys have been asking for a lot more, but like a lot of people complain that we don't get the most requested and stuff like that. There's a lot of requests.
I think there's like 500,000. No, okay.
But there are a lot of requests, so it's pretty hard for just us to go through all.
Yeah,
we do try, but it's hard.
We'll get to. We're just starting our K-pop journey, so we'll get to them eventually.
But right now, first we're gonna start with BTS Dynamite.
A BTS filled episode.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! If you guys do enjoy this K-pop reaction, hey man, be sure to leave a like and don't forget to
hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that noti bell because it's right next to it. You want to make sure you hit those because you don't want to miss these K-pop reactions. We know you love them, and we trying to give them to you. You heard me?
We're gonna
like
go
watching
with this Rengoku sword.
my freaking knuckle, man. Heard it at work, but I hope you enjoy the video, guys.
It's early in the morning, okay?
10 at night.
Yeah. Swaggy guys.
Honestly, I love
I've
the
heard
colors.
this audio. Where have I heard this?
It was in the radio everywhere. I'm pretty sure.
Oh.
I like his fit right here. Jungkook.
What's his name?
Jungkook.
Alright, bet. I've rocked with it.
Love
God, yes, sir. We gotta win tonight.
Not money. Ooh. Oh, I said Discord.
Honestly, I could really wake up to this and be like, just
Yeah.
this would be a song that I can just. That would totally be
Look at that donut This is an all English song?
I think so, yeah.
That's fire.
A light. That's English? I don't even know our language or my language.
This is incredible. Where was this filmed?
I'm not sure. It's LA maybe?
It looks.
It looks, but there's a lot of sets too. Imagine us making a music video. We start off like this. A cover.
Oh, like Dynamite.
Dude, honestly,
Yo, this song
I'm
is a
pretty.
vibe.
I'm actually gonna put this on my playlist. Dang, that was so hard.
That
for me to
sucks.
say.
Oh, they're saying dynamite, like dynamite.
His voice, Jimin's voice is.
Woo! Bye, set the night alight. The little fucking song. Eat up like dynamite.
Damn.
It's this just gets you booed up, bro.
Yeah, this song is very, very, very cool. It's lit.
Oh my gosh,
The
dude,
vibes of
the
the
colors is just amazing, dude. It just makes I'm it feels like I'm there a little bit.
That's what you something just vibing with it.
This is a This is an Abraham type song I hear.
Yeah.
Ooh, got the shades
I don't got
on.
glasses,
Oh wait,
though.
the glasses. Ooh, what's up?
But that was BTS Dynamite. I
BTS.
think this was their first like actual like title track. Like title track is their main song.
Mm-hmm.
But I think this was the first one that they made in full English. If I'm not wrong. If I'm wrong, sorry, but
That's dope, man. Making their
Don't
full
kill him in the
song
comments
English.
if he's wrong.
like
We are human, by the way. At least I'm from Mars.
yeah.
We believe Kevin is human.
But that was a very summer-esque song, right?
Yeah.
Driving with the convertible. With
I
the
think
top
that
down
one
and stuff.
like
Dude,
it
that
fits
song reminded
everyone.
me like a happy cause I'm happy.
Yeah.
Like something like
Yeah.
that. Just like
That's like a mall song. You walk in the mall and you hear it playing, hear it on the radio.
They do have it in the mall, I think.
Yeah, I think I've heard it.
bro, I've
I just-
never heard
the thing
that.
is, you wouldn't have known if it was K-pop because like I'm in a store, like I just hear English voices. You know,
Yeah.
I've never listened to K-pop either or BTS, so I was just like,
yeah,
Yo.
probably it
Yeah.
could be the case. Like,
You'd just be like, oh, it's another song. But now that you pay attention, that you see BTS.
oh, that's K-pop.
Yeah. But we're gonna watch like 2 of the newer ones, and then like we're gonna go back. But right now we're gonna watch BTS Boy with Love featuring Halsey.
I could do it better. It's just the cameras are on.
Halsey.
Halsey. I'm gonna get my hair like that soon. Nah, I'm not.
Honestly, her hair is a vibe. It's like the sunset, or I don't know, reminds me of a sunset, kind of.
Persona.
Persona.
BTS.
Ooh.
Yo, with this style fire dress is.
Whoa.
Yo, what's good?
Why you seeing
Okay.
My day is good so far.
It's not bad.
What makes you happy?
All the viewers out there make me happy.
Hey, man.
Come be my.
But we're going crazy. Hey.
They're always vibing, man. Like it doesn't even seem like they're actually just. Like,
Oh
the dance is
my,
so
that
natural to
was
them.
beautiful.
How they're just having fun?
Look at this transition that we just did. Love. Is this what the love is nothing stronger? Oh,
Sugar.
Oh, dancing on the keyboard. I used to rock on the keys.
now I'm a hero.
Oh yeah, I like this setting. I wanna do that. Woo.
Oh, here she comes. Here she comes.
Go off, girl. Oh man, she's vibing with it. Dude, see, I just want to fucking vibe with them.
Another rapper.
RM. Remember Joke?
RM. Oh, the Joker, like that.
Yeah. Right there is dope because they got all their all those kind of
Sets?
in the back, like all those lights with the names. It's like the names of their previous albums.
I like that move, bro.
Love it. I know the freaking.
Imagine those.
That seems like such a vibe. Just freaking
Love.
oh. Then
Oh,
I
that was
fall you with love.
So what do you think about that one? Think about Boy with Love.
Boy with Love. This music video is very colorful. And
Wow, those two, both of them were just like.
It's just that I don't know, like BTS just their music just makes you feel good, I guess you could say.
yeah, the music really does reach out. You know what I'm saying? It like you can feel it inside of your body, right? Inside of your ear, it enters to your ears and it goes out through your whole body, and all of a sudden your toes start wiggling. It's like, what the heck? I like the sets, the transitions we had, like it's like all the like each of the guys' hairs.
Yeah.
They match like the sets in the background, which is cool too. Halsey, she was just like
Halsey.
how do you say it?
Halsey.
Halsey.
That's weird because he said it right the first,
Yeah,
however many times you said it.
I forgot.
He's like, my brain mishandled the treatment of words in English.
Do you hope Airplane?
What the heck?
His songs are a vibe, like just his whole vibe of the song.
Honestly, that first
Whoa.
panel, oh my.
How the
Never mind, let
editing?
me shut up. I wanted to say something.
What the editing?
And the lyrics of this song, they're really good.
Oh, okay.
Yo, this could dead ass be like a club song.
But now you fall over the world. First.
I'm trying to go.
Like this. Like this is songs that just to vibe, right?
Nah, yeah, this song actually is it's like really, really good.
I have a playlist for this kind of music too. Like this kind of vibe.
Get jealous and loneliness.
Laugh at it.
Damn. Drink champagne in my airplane. Huh? Every day? Dang. Chemistry with me and the clouds. The clouds are my best friend. I'm on airplane mode off. That's fire.
That room, they have shown it at I'm just happy.
Oh yeah, he's just big chilling in his airplane while all this other stuff going on. He just doesn't care. He's doing him. You heard him?
J
You
Hope.
heard
What
him?
other song have we listened to of him again?
J Hope.
It was Daydream.
No. It's Dreamer.
Daydream.
That song honestly was really fire. It was really like it was a vibe, but like it wasn't like a soft vibe, right? It was because it had its hard moments. I feel like his voice got deep when he said I think it was airplane. I don't know what word he was saying. I'm not gonna imitate it, but it was really
He's
good.
talking about living it up in his airplane, basically.
Yeah. Living in the clouds, him and his chemistry that he has with the clouds, because he'd be up in the clouds all the time, was pretty sick.
He's on cloud 9.
I'm on airplane mode. That's a flex, bro. That is crazy. That's a fire ass bar right there.
Yeah, that was a. He was like, "Huh? Excuse me?"
And I think he said something else. Mode. He was like, "I don't care what other people say. I'm just happy."
Yeah, he's just living like, dude.
And you can tell by the whole video, like he's just vibing with it.
You're just trying to live in this world. I'm just trying to live this world. I was hiking yesterday, guys, and I was loving it, just vibing to music. Yes, sir. Y'all should go out and do something.
Ew. J-Hope, this was a fire song, bro. I appreciate the artwork and just to bless our minds and our ears.
Woo. So now we're going to be watching BTS Fake Love.
Fake Love.
Everything in this music video, it's all like actual sets. Like all of it is happening.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, I remember because I think they called me one time and I had to go help set them up. Yeah. No, but that's cool though. I'm excited to see these real sets.
A lot of
Fake
things.
Love,
I feel
Drake.
like in this music video you'll be like that has to be like green screen or something. But everything like was actually like was there like as a set, part of the set. So yeah, let's get into it.
Hey, I got PTSD.
28.
Nah, that's a green screen.
That's a green screen.
Damn, the first lyrics. Damn, I was strong but I was hurt.
Damaged. Is this one of the earlier songs?
It's kind of in between.
Okay.
That's J-Hope.
Love is not perfect, man. Never will be. Oh, you're so bad.
Like that's
Holy
actually,
crap.
That's real.
That's real?
Yeah.
He ran for his life. Oh, make me your doll. That's interesting. Okay, now what do the sets have to do? Is that all those phones?
I think so. I don't know the story behind this one really, so.
Yo, this song is hard, like lyrically.
Snickers.
That's a huge brand. Oh my gosh.
feel like the visuals for this is there just for you to enjoy this.
Oh, okay, the background?
Yeah.
Like a brick wall. Beat drop. Oh no. What is this?
Art.
A lantern?
Remember that was the flower in the beginning? It was in there. That seems so peaceful, like to be there.
Waterfalls are awesome. Oh. My gosh. Oh. Oh my. Whoa, what's about it? That's green screen, right?
No.
What?
Make me your doll. That's
Yeah, I want to speak on that. Make it love. Make it love. Sorry.
not like people would say.
Nah, crazy. Save me.
Damn, I wish love was as perfect as love itself.
But man, that chorus, man, is just.
Fake Love by
Fake
BTS.
Love.
Alright, so
Bet on yourself, you guys. Don't hurt yourself.
So I mean there was a deep, huge like kind of like a message and meaning to this song, and I guess it's just played like it's okay. He wishes, or they wish, or whoever it was wishes love was as perfect as love itself. Love is not perfect, right? It comes with its
many flaws,
trials and tribulations, man, and
love. Probably the hardest battle you will ever do.
I've been in a relationship for 3 years, and still it's like yeah, I can say I can. What do you mean I can say? I do love her, but it's just like love. Like what exactly is it? You know what I'm saying? I feel like everyone has like their own
their own definition.
Perception and their own meaning.
Yeah.
But we still probably like question like, what is it every day? Like,
and like that one line that you said, that something, and then to make myself.
So that is like, dolls are very much emotionless, and the person like who has a doll can make the doll do what it wants, right?
Yeah.
So you can be you, but then I think he was talking about how I erase myself. So like getting away my personality, everything that I have that I've given myself
for you,
and just turning into basically like a robot, or like just blanking myself.
Yeah, that's why in the first like in the beginning it was like says something. I pretended I was happy when I was sad. I pretended I was strong when I was weak.
And there's multiple cases where that's happened.
Don't do it, guys. It's a really deep hole. Don't do it. I promise you, you're gonna see it. You're gonna see it happen. You're gonna be like, I got it.
Yo, man, it's cool, dude. Like it's interesting, and that's like when you think of, I don't know, man. It's just deep. I don't even know if I want to like.
That one was deep. I was just reading and reading. I was in there.
Love is just another one of those concepts that, as humans, we gotta like learn how to grasp as we grow. And do we really figure it out until we die? Who knows?
Yeah, I think that's when we do figure it out. Maybe.
Probably, man. But yeah, hey, what a fire song to end off this BTS video. Is this the last one, Kevin?
Yeah.
Hey, BTS, thank you for showing all your positive messages, or your lessons, and everything that you have inside your music videos and your lyrics. You guys are awesome. You guys are very talented. If you guys are watching this. And all the viewers out there, thank you for watching this BTS video.
If you guys enjoyed,
go ahead.
Don't forget to leave a like and remember to comment whichever song you guys want us to watch next. But without further ado,
We're just gonna skip on Dado out of here.